ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತಾವ. Dear students, today I am going to titrate acid versus base. First, the apparatus required for this titration. First, basically, burette, pipette, conical flask, beaker, burette stand, polythene bottle, pinochle indicator. The chemicals, first acid like HCl acid, and the base is sodium hydroxide base. First of all, the acid is taken. The acid is taken here burette. Before that, you have to wash thoroughly with distilled water. Rinse with distilled water. Rinse with distilled water. And then rinse with conserved solution, that is HCl acid. Small quantity of HCl acid is taken in burette and rinse with HCl acid. Then we can fill the HCl acid in burette. You have to make up to the mark like this. If you take an excess, you make adjust by run down the solution into the HCl acid. Now we took acid, we fill the acid in burette up to 0, up to 0, up to 0. And tablet color like this. Tablet color. First layer, second layer, third layer. This is burette reading. Initial, final burette reading. Final burette reading. Here, initial burette reading, and finally volume of HCl run down. There are 3 types of it. First, then you have to pipette it out into a 10 ml of this reaction sodium hydroxide solution into a clean conical flask like this. You have to pipette carefully. Adjust to 0 level like this. Slowly do like this. When it comes to 0, we have to stop there again. Then now it is come to 0. It is freely run down into a clean conical flask like this. because if you take acidic burette, you can avoid pipetting. This is the main point. Point number one, you have to avoid pipetting. Second point, if you take sodium hydroxide in the burette, it becomes black. The whole of the burette will be black. In order to avoid these 2 points, these 2 conditions, therefore acid is always taken in a burette while base taken in a conical glass. Add 1 or 2 drops of phenol indicator which turns pink. Then it is titrated against given standard HCl acid solution which is taken in a burette. It is titrated like this. Pretty well down. You have to do the titration till the pink color disappears. That is the end point. When pink color disappears, becomes colorless, that is the end point of the reaction. What we understood that the acid completely neutralizes base. That indicates volume of sodium hydroxide. Actually 20, its value is 20 ml. Final burette reading 20, initial burette reading 0.0. The volume is 20 ml. Repeat the same titration for concordant values for 3 times. Concordant mean values. Then it is becomes 20 initial, then 40, 20, and then 0 and 0. This is 20, this is 20. Therefore, this is here 20. Then we have to find out the normality. Now, N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2, where N1 is the normality of HCl acid, V1 is the volume of HCl, that is nothing but burette reading, and N2 is the volume of NaOH, V2 is the volume of NaOH. Here, if you know N1, V1, V2, but you have to calculate N2. N1 is 0.1, is already and volume of burette becomes 20, and you out of sodium hydroxide, V2 is volume of sodium hydroxide 10 ml. Then you have to do this calculation. That is 0.2 nanometer. Then using 0.2 nanometer, 0.2 nanometer, into equivalent rate of sodium is 40, sodium 23, oxygen 16 plus hydrogen 40 grams, and then it is 25 to 8 grams. 40 into 0.2 అంటే 8 grams. This is the final answer.